Whenever you think about Bangladesh, the things that comes to your mind refreshing lush greeneries of the countryside. World famous Ilish of Padma River. Famous auto rickshaws. Tangail handloom saris. Delicious kachi biryani. Frozy traffic jam of Dhaka. And love for their cricket. The National Martyrs Monument or Jatiyo Sritishodho, an iconic structure encapsulating the nation's gratitude towards the martyrs. And the last but not the least, Shohid Minar, which was built to commemorate those killed during the Bangla language movement in 1952. Bangladesh, also the home of world's largest unbroken sea beach, Cox's Bazar, which is in Chittagong. Bangladesh, officially the People's Republic of Bangladesh, is a country in South Asia marked by lush greeneries and many waterways. It is the 8th most populous country in the world. Capital Dhaka is the second densely populated capital in the world after Manila, capital of Philippines. Its Padma, Meghna and Jamuna river create fertile plain and travel by boat is common. On the southern coast, the Sundarban, an enormous mangrove forest shared with eastern India, is the home of the Royal Bengal tigers. It is completely surrounded by India to the west and east and north by the Siliguri corridor and Myanmar to the southeast and Bay of Bengal to the south. The monetary policy is regulated by the Central Bank of Bangladesh. The used currency is Taka. In 1973, coins were introduced for the first time in the denominations of 5 paisa, 10 paisa, 25 paisa and 50 paisa. The 1 paisa coins followed in 1974 with 1 taka coins introduced in 1975 and 2 taka coins in 2004 and 5 taka coins were introduced in the year 1994. However, the 1, 5, 10, 25, 50 paisa and 1 taka coins are extinct. Only the 2 and 5 taka are regularly found in the circulation. In the near future, the 2 and 5 taka will also get extinct. Because in the year 2019, when I was in Bangladesh, I asked people why they don't use coins widely. They told me it is difficult to carry coins rather than banknotes. So by the year 2050, Bangladesh will register its name with those countries like Vietnam, Cambodia, Laos, Zimbabwe and DRC who have stopped issuing coins. Okay, let's move to the 5 taka coin. Jamuna Multipurpose Bridge, year of minting and value on the overside. On the reverse side, National Emblem of Bangladesh. In the middle, 2 shapes of paddy on each side of the emblem, tea leaf and 4 stars that signifies nationalism, secularism, socialism and democracy. These were proclaimed by Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. These are 2 variety of 5 taka, which is slightly different. And this one, another variety of 5 taka, which carry portrait of Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, year of minting and value on the upper side and the reverse side logo of Central Bank of Bangladesh. Let's move to the 2 taka coin. This is a commemorative 2 taka coin, which carry 2 human figure and slogan education for all, value and year of minting. On the reverse side, same as the 5 takas. This is a 2 taka coin which contain portrait of Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. This one is slightly different from the previous one. You can easily differentiate them. Let's move to the 1 taka. This is the commemorative 1 taka On the over side you can see 4 human figure and slogan Plant Family, Food for All. Country name written in Bengali and value. This one is also similar to the previous one. And the last one taka, which contain portrait of Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. This is a FAO issue 50 paisa coin which carry fish, pineapple, banana and chicken figure, year of minting, value written in Bengal. And this one is also a 50 paisa which contain same as the previous one. And this 25 paisa carry a Royal Bengal tiger figure, country name, year of minting and value. And the last one, which is also a 25 paisa, carry a figure of Rui fish, value, year of minting and country name. And the reverse side same as the others.